Now. Oh, okay.
I need to do my hair.
Bugelschließen.
All right, up we go on the last coaster here. This is Gesente Sau, the original Gerstlauer coaster and the original Gerstlauer Bobsled. This is our third one on this trip. These are a lot of fun. Oh. And it like intertwines with the log thing here. It's awesome.
That looks kind of steep.
Whoa, that's steep, yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, that's so fun. All right, Wild Mouse turns. Get ready.
Oh, nine.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that's so tight. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh, jeez. Whoa!
Oh! Whoa!
Oh, airtime hills.
Oh, whoa. Oh! Octo!
Oh, this is so good.
Oh!
Whoa! Oh my god.
There you go.
That's it? All right.
That's cute.
Oh, jeez, that was a little rough. But that was fun.